Nung ang tao po ay nagkasala, para po dapat po niyan yung dapat bumbilya na pag inalis mo sa connection sa kuryente, ay wala na dapat ilaw. Itong ating pong buhay na ito, without the service, ito po yung aking personal na belief. Nung ang tao po ay nagkasala, para po dapat po niyan yung dapat bumbilya na pag inalis mo sa connection sa kuryente, ay wala na dapat ilaw. Ganun po yung paniniwala ko. Dapat wala ng buhay na nagpatuloy when Adam and Eve sinned. Ganun po yung idea ko. Kasi lumay tayo, humiwalay tayo sa buhay. Pero ang nangyari po ay patuloy tayong binigyan ng Panginoon ng buhay. It is not something that we deserve. Pero ang gusto niya ay pinautangan niya tayo ng buhay para tayo ay magkaroon ng experience ng kanyang biyaya at pagmamahal. And before this short life will expire, the purpose of this life for me is this: to realize and experience that grace and love from God. And then before my life ends, respond back also in love to Him. Yun po yung purpose kung bakit tayo binibigyan ng biyaya ng buhay na ito na meron tayo right now. So, ang sabi ni Ellen G. White, connected with Isaac, sabi niya rin, Ellen G. White is out of age 660. To the death of Christ, we owe even this earthly life. The bread we eat is the purpose of His broken body. The water we drink is bought by His spilled blood. Never one saint or sinner eats his daily food, but he is nourished by the body and the blood of Christ. The cross of Calvary is stamped on every loaf. It is reflected in every water spring. So ganun po yung nangyari because Christ committed Himself to die for us. Life now should continue and men will be given the chance to experience His grace and make the choice. At sana hindi katulad ni Adan nung araw ni Eva na nagkamali, sana ay piliin natin siya.